Welcome back, my hissy family, and today we're going to do an unusual video. Well, it's not so unusual, but it's raspberry Kit Kat. Everybody tried normal Kit Kats, and well, pretty much everybody tried normal Kit Kats. Well, for the first time, it's raspberry. And I know there's green tea Kit Kat, wasabi Kit Kat, I think there is, white chocolate Kit Kat, but I found this in a Japanese or Chinese store, I'm not sure, because it actually has like Japanese or Chinese words. I really don't know which type of word they are, because, well, I'm not Korean or whatever language it says, so yeah, I'll just show you the package. Kit Kat. So I was very excited when I got this. I really wanted to make the video on the same day, but well, I couldn't, so I'm happy I'm doing it. So let's just get into it. I'm so excited. So let's open this. Ooh, cute. Little tiny cute packages. That's cute. I like it. Ooh. Oh. It looks like smoothie colored. I need to show you. It's not so pink. I need to show you the package as well. This is the package. Look how pink it is. And look at the real thing. It's hilarious. It's really more like a skin colored. Weird. The chocolate's good. Ooh, it's actually pink inside. Interesting. Oh. Sour. Oh, sour. Oh. I only took 1/4 of it. Oh, sour. I think this might be Japanese. The Japanese love sour candies. Most of the candies in Japan is sour. Oh my god. For a Kit Kat or any sweet, that's sour. But nice. And not as sour as toxic waste though. Oh. I tried sour, but I say sour, and then even more effect since it's also sweet. This is It's okay. In my view, I don't like it so much, but if you're a jam lover, I'm not really a jam lover, but if you're a jam lover, it tastes like basically chocolate, then a hard little waffle inside, and then like a wafer inside, then jam inside as well. So if you like jam, this is the way to go. Wow. No wonder not many people liked it. I'm gonna have another because it's okay. I was excited, so I want another. Yeah. This candy's there. Not the best. Yeah, my hands are all... Oh, this makes your hands all, like, oily. Weird. The first candy I've seen any... This is the first time I've seen any candy except a liquid candy do that. Wow. I'm surprised about that. I have a bit of water here. Ah, that's good. Ugh. That's weird. My God. Ugh. Maybe the other side. Yeah, you can't open it. Ugh. Why am I so slippery? The first candy I ever seen make you this slippery. Even liquid candies I've never seen that make this slippery. Okay. Okay. Made the full Kitkat, and I want to show you the inside of it. It's literally pink inside. Wow. The first one is okay, then after you eat the second one, it's like way better. Weird. And they taste exactly the same. Not weird. Chocolate raspberry wafer bar. By the way, Kit Kats are wafer bars. I already knew that. Wow. This is actually made some type of real fruit. Cool. I don't know what fruit that is, but it's made some sort of real fruit. I really don't know which fruit. I thought it was red beets because it was so pink. Like that, and it looked kind of natural, but no, guess not. Anyways, what are these little like, huh? Okay, whatever. I like this little barcode or something. I don't know. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god, I need to get my little Kit Kat stick out. Yum. In the comments below, tell me if you tried any other different Kit Kat except for the original, like the raspberry one or something, and tell me which one too. So yeah. Oh my god. Wow, I have a lot in here. Well, I mean, I only ate 3. Wow. And then I have, so there's 12 in each packet. Wow. You kids out there will like this, except for me, except for this kid. If I rather had a pack of normal Kit Kat or raspberry Kit Kat? Normal. Normal for the win. I'm telling you right now. I still want to try the others. And I'm not excited. I really don't want to try wasabi. But I'm going to do it anyways for you. Because, well, I don't like wasabi. And I've seen people try the wasabi one. Because I think there's wasabi. It might be green tea. Whatever. Or it's green tea, I know. I think there is wasabi. But every time I heard that somebody said it was wasabi. Wasabi Kitkat. I think there is. I really think. I hope I'm not making a fool of myself. But yeah, I think there is such a thing. I'll Google it later. But I think there is. But every time I heard somebody say it, pretty much everybody said gross and didn't like it and spit it out. So I'm not excited about it. And they said it didn't taste like wasabi. So yeah. There actually might be sour jam in here. Why, Kitkat, why? Why did you have to make it sour? Why? I like the sweet Kitkat. Why did you have to make it sour? I don't mind sour, but since the taste as well, I would choose taste. If the sour was gone, the taste probably might be a bit better, but yeah. I really actually, maybe worse. I don't know, but no, Kitkat, why did you make raspberry? It was a bad idea. I have to admit, I was very excited about this. Very excited. I'm actually a bit disappointed. I thought it would be better. So, yeah. Ugh. I'm eating a lot for you guys, but yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna eat it like this, like a burger. Ooh, look at my tiny little baby burger. Lol. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. If you're gonna eat this Kitkat, eat it like a burger. It's way better. All right. I'm gonna eat one more for you guys. One more. And I'll probably end the video. Ugh. I'll make this the slowest one I can. And by the way, I'm adding a few more things on my Etsy shop. If you want to check those out, it'll be in the links below. Please check it out. Yeah. I didn't want to use my hands, so I decided just use my mouth. That's how you do it. Yeah. I need to get something. Taking the big choppers. Look, get it? Choppers. Get it? Little. Ugh. Ooh, got one. Got one. I ate 6 just for you guys. They didn't taste so good. I expected way more from them. KitKat, if you're gonna make any more products, any more of KitKat, make something better and more original, like dark chocolate or something. Well, anyways, I think I should wrap up the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more hissy videos. Check out my Etsy shop. I'm adding way more things very fast. I have quite a lot of things already. Please do check it out. It'll be in the links down below. And see you all next time for more hissy videos. Wah ha ha.